Okay, we're heading to Speed World and it is still hot as all get out. But it's dry. Really pretty sunset today. Some lightning over in those clouds. But I got scanner, Bible for if I've got a lot of wait time. So we'll see how the runs go tonight. But here we go. We made it here. See how busy it is. Oh yeah. Might be able to get a couple runs in without it being way late. There's some big trucks here though, so we'll see. For early night, I'm expecting 10:30 at the latest, but I think if I could get 2 runs in, I'd be happy with that. So we'll see how it goes. I need to switch out this incandescent lighting. It makes me look like it's like Thomas Edison might be sitting next to me there. No offense to his light bulbs, but LEDs are much better. Anyways, back with you soon. Yeah, neat collection of cars. Mustangs, Vet, Tesla, BMW. Oh, 2 Nice. Good. Ooh, I'm not sure what that gas is. Oh yeah, it looks nice. So thankfully a small crowd. Oh, the Trackhawk back there is nice. That Volkswagen is stripped out. Wow. There's nothing in there. Yeah, Trackhawking. Nice again, interior. That's cool. Oh, this Beamer's got a nice interior too. Check that out. Cool. A lot of people running the 360 cameras. That's cool. Hello, Bobby. There we go. Alright, more soon. Alright, time to go. We'll see how everything goes. Hopefully this camera mount works. It's kind of a little fussy, you see. Lots of noise. That was loud. Wednesday nights are definitely better for the shorter crowd, or smaller crowd. Yeah, if I can do back-to-back runs, that'd be pretty cool. Go right home. Wow. Noisy. Got some of the cars looping back around again already. That's pretty cool. Yep, Volkswagen's trying to go. We're all like in the left lane for some reason. Interesting. Okay. That Beamer up there is nice. Looks like it's gonna be Charger and Beamer. That'd be cool. That was cool. Very nice. we go. Let's check out that Beamer. Yep. There they go. They look pretty good. This guy will move, I'll feel better. Yeah, that's funny. That is funny. Nothing. No skin at all. Get into beams. Rolling, 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 rolling. All right. Not sure where we ran, but I didn't get much launch on at all. I was waiting too long to watch the lights, so we'll have to check it out. But the camera worked, that's cool. All right, gotta wait for track prep, but we gotta pass in. This is the slowest driven. 17.2, that's ridiculous. Even slow in the reaction time too, that's pitiful. Oh well, one day, this will be a quick car. I'm not sure when, but one day we'll get it quick. Gonna win. Last run of the night. Let's see what we can figure out. Ooh, noisy. Got a junior drag. That's cool. I think this is a CT5 V, I think. I also think my window's incredibly dirty. My apologies. Hoping to get a better, just take a little bit of time, get a better launch. I think we can pick up some speed. Hopefully knock off a 1.5 seconds. That might be asking a little bit too much. I didn't mess with the codes any, so we'll just see what it does. But it felt good and straight in the track, so that was nice. See what the charger does over there. Oh, it's gonna make a mess. What we got going? See red lights. That caddy had a good burnout. Beamer must be running all-wheel drive. Looks like I'll get a run all by myself. Let's see what these two guys can do. Nice. That Beamer was fast. Alright, can't break it loose. Get in the beams. Oh, we do have a competitor, okay. Yellow. Oh, you got one more to go. Yellow, yellow, yellow.